The world needs change. Climate protection, emission-free mobility, and digitalization are demanding an enormous degree of flexibility from us.
That's why we want to change the world with our innovations.
Lean, green, digital. These are the pillars of the BMW iFACTORY.
Lean means efficient, precise, and flexible. Flexibility to manufacture different drivetrains and architectures on one production line is key to the transformation towards e-mobility. In this way, we are laying the foundation for the Neue Klasse. For green, we are relying on state-of-the-art technologies that are resource-optimized and circular. We are systematically using green energy at every location.
This will enable us to lower CO2 emissions per vehicle by 80% by 2030. We've been using 100% CO2-free electricity since 2020 and are tapping local potential with district heating and geothermal energy.
The BMW iFACTORY is digital. We are using data science and artificial intelligence to become even faster, even more accurate, and even more transparent.
Merging the real and virtual worlds opens up a whole new dimension. Employees around the globe can connect virtually to develop and plan in real time on a single platform. This is a real revolution. It's our answer to the metaverse.
We are making the transformation of our production successful. We all are designers of the BMW iFACTORY.
The DNA of the iFACTORY can be experienced at all our plants, not only at our future ones like Debrecen, but also at our 100-year-old main plant in Munich.
BMW iFACTORY, lean, green, digital. That's the future of our production.